Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I withdraw my savings from Moka anytime? The straightforward answer is, yes, generally you can withdraw your savings from Moka anytime. Moka's policy is to allow clients to access their money whenever they need it. You are not locked into your investment. There are a few key details to keep in mind about the process. First, withdrawals are usually processed for free and without penalty. This is a major benefit of the Moka platform. Second, regarding timing, Moka typically processes withdrawal requests every weekday. If you make a request before their daily cutoff time, your funds are usually deposited into your linked bank account on the next business day. Keep in mind that requests made over the weekend or after the cutoff will be processed on the following business day, which can add a day or two to the total time. Third, the funds you are withdrawing must be available. This means they can't be tied up in pending deposits, unsettled trades, or pending orders. When you sell an investment to make a withdrawal, there might be a short settlement period before that cash is officially available to be sent to your bank. So, while you can initiate a withdrawal request anytime, the actual transfer to your bank account will follow the daily processing schedule and the availability of funds. For the quickest access, try to submit your request early on a weekday. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.